One thing that may set us apart from a lot of other hospitals is something that's actually related to Dr. Ted James, who Dr. Julian and I bought the practice from back in 2005. I think his preacher actually said it best at his funeral whenever he said a client and a patient walked in the exam room with Dr. James saw the client. Well, as far as relationships go, I think the relationship between a parent and a pediatrician is very similar to the relationship between a client and a veterinarian. And as a parent, I would like to have a pediatrician who knew me, knew my situation, knew my kids, their history. So therefore, if we had a problem or question, we can call them up and give us very customized recommendations in addition to customized care. And I feel like if we have a relationship with a client and a patient, that is the kind of service that we can provide for them, and we do provide for them.
Some of the other services that we offer, one that is very unique, that's kind of alternative, is our K-laser therapy treatment program. We actually have people that come from Charlotte to get this laser treatment because we're one of the few places that offer it. We use laser therapy. It's a class 4 laser, and it's able to reduce inflammation in different areas of the body. We use it for pain control, back injuries. I use it on all of my knee surgeries now. It's like an ACL in a person. So when they tear ligaments in their knees, I go in and repair the ligaments and put in basically a synthetic ligament. We start with the laser therapy, and since I've been doing that, I've seen an increase in healing time and reduction of pain by 50%.
We feel like that Camp Waggentails really completes us as far as the services that we provide. Now we have one facility that you can come in and they can get their health care, they can get vaccines, they can get heartworm prevention, flea prevention. We have 3 full-time groomers. We also have a full-service daycare and boarding facility where we have both an indoor play area and then separate outdoor play areas for both little dogs and large dogs. So again, I feel like we really have a comprehensive service now. Preventive care is so important in both the quality and quantity of life, and there are so many conditions, life-threatening infections, parasite conditions, cancers, that kind of thing, that we can very easily prevent with regular preventative care. So as far as our dental services, we do have routine prophylaxis where we do the dentals and get the tartar off and then do polishing. And many times if they have any infected teeth, then we also can provide extractions to get rid of any infected or painful teeth.
We do offer some large animal services. We do come to the house many times for large animals because it's difficult to get them up here. We do goat, sheep, horses, and cattle work. As far as our small animal house calls, it's very convenient to go to the house, especially when you have maybe 5 or more animals. And we'll do all of their yearly workup at one time, and it's much more convenient for owners. And then lastly, a lot of our house calls are for end of life. We take our time as we're going through the end of life for that animal. And so that is very rewarding for the client, gives them peace of mind, and just that time that's near and dear to their heart as their pet is passing. I am all about relationships, and that's what's so important to me as a veterinarian. I want to know what's going on at home as far as your family, how your dog relates to your family, because that helps me. I feel very much a part of many of my clients' families because I want to know what's going on. We like to ask a lot of questions. We like to know how we can help concerns at home. So we're very interactive here as a staff and as veterinarians on wanting to help owners have the most wonderful time with their pets at home and that their pets live the longest life they can with them.